Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe following the rules and guidelines of the government. If you want to enroll for one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a Vastu session or energy consultation for your house and office, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading related to numerology workshop and tarot turning workshop, you can enroll for the session. Everything, all the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes guys, let's check it out what's going on in the month of April for you guys. This is the reading for the Aries for the month of for the month of April. Okay, Aries. Okay, there's a lack of healing. Your heart chakra is not open due to something. Okay, so you need to open up your heart chakra in the month of April. Okay, you will be you will be gaining a clarity related to a confusion or a situation. Okay, you will be gaining a lot of clarity into a situation. Okay, you want to take risk, but there is a problem with taking a risk. Okay, you want to take a risk about something or someone. Okay, either starting a new relationship or new career into your life. Okay, you can start not in the month of April but in the month of March. Okay, so yeah, it will take 1 month of time. Okay, so wow, you are feeling very sad related to a situation, either into a career life or your relationship. Okay, like you are feeling that you want someone to talk to. Okay, you want to share your feelings, you want to share your heart out. Okay, and you just need to convert your creativity, your passion into the profession thing. If you are thinking to start a new business or new career, okay, you feel very lonely related to a situation in the month of April. You will be feeling very lonely. Okay, and also there will be a thought that a certain sort of wish fulfillment is not coming true. That's the problem. Okay, you are just going with the flow related to a situation. Currently you're transforming, your perception is changing, your thought process is changing about a person. Okay, you are going to take a risk, major risk you are going to take in the month of April, I think so. Okay, you will be going through a lot of experience. Okay, you will be into a very defending mode. If someone or something is going to point out that what you are doing into your life, then you will be into a defending mode, which is very good. I think within next 6 months there's a opportunity for getting a victory, massive victory related to a career or a relationship. Okay, either you will move towards a new beginning into a relationship, new life, relocation, anything it can be, or else into your career life there will be a huge success or a huge amount of money you will be getting. Okay, you are getting some sort of weird dreams nowadays. Okay, which you need to focus on, Aries. Okay, and I think you are ending something, a cycle is ending of something and starting something new is going on with you, which is very good. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing a I think 7 cards. 7 cards have been involved today. You need to understand your heart chakra, you need to heal. You are going through a major healing, major abundances, and the breakthrough is on the horizon, Aries, for you. The major abundance related to money or your career life or your financial goals is going to have a major breakthrough, definitely. Okay, so Aries, there's a new beginning on the horizon for you in the month of March. You are going to take a leap in the month of April. You are going to take a major leap of faith. Okay, be aware of the devil energy, nasty energy, who is taking advantage of you. Just be aware of it. Okay, so yeah, Aries, you need to make a decision which you are not making related to a situation. You are stuck into a situation. You want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward, but that's not happening. Okay, in the month of April, it might be related to a career, or the situation might be related to your relationship. Okay, okay, so 1 second guys. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, okay guys, So there is a, you know, you are waiting for some sort of recovery of money related to a situation, related to money, related to your finances. Okay, there's some money stuck which you are waiting for. Okay, something happened in through your past, guys, which you think that, you know, that shook up your world, either into your career life or your relationship. Okay, some sort of major reconciliation you are waiting for, okay, into a situation. Whosoever is in separation, you are waiting for some sort of a decision or a celebration related to a third party situation. You are a hell lot of confused into a situation, guys. Okay, but you are not taking, you are just waiting for a reconciliation or a decision related to a third party situation. Whosoever is third party who interfered into your relationship, you are thinking to make a decision. Okay, you are taking an action related to you. You know, you are waiting for someone to take an action related into your career or relationship. I think this is a reading for the people who are into separation. Someone is overthinking, okay, and is stuck into a past related to a situation. Okay, yes, overthinking, thinking a lot related to a situation. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so there are some hidden truths, hidden secrets coming out related to a people around you, or you know, into your ambience or into your work life. Okay, be careful of manipulative and secretive people in the month of April. Okay, yes, there has to be a decision made related to a confusion. Okay, you are not taking any risk related to a reconciliation or reunion, Aries. That's the problem. Okay, because of third party interference, situation got over, or you got into separation with someone. Okay, or there was a trouble related to a third party situation into your married life or into your relationship. Okay, you are moving away, you are, you know, you are confused and you want to move away from sneaky energy, manipulative energy. I think in the month of March, in the month of April, you are going to move away from, you know, sneaky energy, manipulative energy, or situation related to this. Okay, so you feel you are releasing all the disappointments related to your past breakup or problems, past breakup or problems, and there is a sadness or a sorrow is going on into your life. Okay, Aries, you are releasing all the, you know, if you are not focusing on your intuition level, kindly you know, increase your intuition level, trust your intuition level more in the month of April. Okay, because that will really help you out in giving the result. Dude, you are going to be very happy in the month of April, because there are doors opening related to major opportunities, major breakthroughs into your life. Okay, which is very good, Aries. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, and let's check out some other deck. Okay, so yeah, let's check out with some other deck. Okay, guys, there is a new person who is waiting for you. There is a person who is waiting for you to offer he is ready to offer a cup of love towards you. Okay, and 5 plus 4 is 9. That is that person is your wish fulfillment, Aries. Okay, so yeah, someone might propose you, or there are singles who might give you you know, an offer or a proposal related to a marriage or related to a commitment. There is an action waiting for you. Okay, so you need to take an action related to someone or something. Okay, and that is what angel guardians are telling me, and a lot of abundance is on the horizon for you guys. Okay, which is very true. A lot of abundance is on the horizon for you. Which gemstones you need to wear, Aries? Okay, which gemstone you need to wear? Aries, you need to wear Indo-Cyanite Tactile. Okay, the message for you from Archangel Sandalphon is: I easily handle the unexpected. I stop, breathe, observe, and move forward with grace. Blessings come into my life seemingly from nowhere. I have unlimited potential and my possibilities are endless. Okay, yes. So what are the universal message for you guys? What are the universal message? What universe wants to tell you? Wow, Aries, let's see. Okay, so there are the universal messages waiting for you. Okay, I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. The second universal message is my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. The third is my outer experiences are a reflection of my internal conditioning. Okay, so what angel guardians wants to tell you, the meditation. Okay, like what you need to focus on, angels. Okay, so that's the thing, what you need to focus on from now onwards. Okay, so the meditation, the angels wants to tell you that there is, you need to be generous. Okay, focus on generosity in the month of April. Focus on honesty, be honest, be happy, joyful, and create laugh into your life, and be kindness, have kindness into your life. Okay, you should be kind with yourself and with the others. Okay, so think about it, guys, because this situation is not for everyone out there, but at least few of the 10% of the people are suffering from all these things. Okay, with this situation. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys, and I hope this helped you out. Bye bye, guys, thank you so much.